Victor, the DNA Health Chef, and I would like to show you how simple it is to use the DNA Health Air Fryer to do a simple fish dish. So for this dish, you'll need the following: some Kingklip, olives, red onion, basil, chopped garlic, chopped chives, cherry tomatoes, and capers. So start off with your cherry tomatoes. I'm going to keep them whole in my roasting tray: olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic. Fresh cracked pepper, molten salt, and I've chopped some garlic. Give that a good shake, and now add your onions. Make sure your onions are nicely separated. Give that a good mix with your fingers. And let's transfer that into your oven. Now for the air fryer. Switch your power on. Go to the menu option. Keep pushing it till the indication goes to vegetables. I'm going to adjust the temperature to 220. And the timer's already for 12 minutes. All you need to do now is push start. The time is up on the tomatoes. Open your oven. Get these lovely tomatoes out. Give them a quick little stir. And step one of this dish is done. Moving on to step two, we've got our lovely fish, olive oil, salt, pepper, fish is done. Adding my olives to my roasting tray, that and my capers. Now put my fish on top. Transfer my fish dish into the oven. Oven on. Go to menu. Then fish. Adjust the temperature again up to 220 for 12 minutes. Push the on button, and there you go. My dish is complete. Open your oven, grab your fish, and what I have here is some chopped chives, some picked basil, and if you want to, give it a quick stir. Maybe get some of that tomato sauce right on top of your fish, and you're done.